Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering key documents: Aadhaar, active mobile, bank details, and a passport photo. Once done, open the Bihar Job Card portal on Chrome. Make sure your connection is stable. You will select New Registration and enter your Aadhaar to seed the form. This links biometric and demographic details. If prompted, complete the OTP verification on your phone. Do this now so your profile is populated automatically, and you avoid manual entry errors later in the process. Next, you fill out the application fields methodically: personal, household, and employment preferences. Accuracy matters because records sync with local panchayat lists. Once you choose district, block, and gram panchayat, pick job types and availability dates so allocations match your needs. Make sure uploaded images are clear and within size limits. Compressed JPEG work well. After adding bank details for wage transfer, review all entries. Use the Save Draft feature to avoid data loss before final submission, and correct any mismatches immediately. To finish, carefully review every field and then submit the form. Download and print the acknowledgement for your records. You will receive a registration number and SMS updates. Use these to track allotment and payments on the portal. Once job cards are issued, collect your physical card at the gram panchayat or local office. If verification or OTP fails, do not panic. Visit a common service center or your gram panchayat with originals to complete biometric or Aadhaar corrections, and then update the online record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.